Hey everybody, my name's Nick and you're watching Thumb Life and Celiac. What I have behind me here is our travel trailer camper, and what I'm going to be doing today is fixing a mistake I made already on the roof. When I put a paint on it, I didn't clean it well enough beforehand, and all the paint, all the work I did has come off. So what I'm going to do today is some power washing, scrubbing, cleaning, spraying some cleaner on it to kill any algae, mold, mildew, anything like that. And then I'm going to put a coat of the camper roof paint on. Okay, everybody, I'm all finished with the roof. I'm pretty pleased with the way it looks right now, but I can't really give a full review on this until Michigan winter. Last time I did this, it all came off in the winter, but that was a mistake on my behalf. Now I've done it all right, and just keep in mind what I did this time was power wash. I scrubbed it. Then what I did is spray it with a chemical to kill any algae, mildew, anything like that. And then I rolled on the paint. If there are any questions or comments, leave those in that section, and stay tuned for review, and I'll let you know how everything turned out.